Once upon a time, in a kingdom far, far away, lived a prince named Edward. He was handsome, brave, and most importantly, allergic to magic. Yes, you heard that right. Allergic to magic. Every time he encountered a fairy tale creature, he would sneeze uncontrollably. One day he found himself wandering into the enchanted forest, hoping to find a cure for his peculiar allergy. As he moved deeper into the forest, he met a talking frog named Fred, who claimed he could turn into a beautiful princess if kissed. Edward thought, great, a princess, but what if she's magically allergic too? Fred warned him, just don't let the warts scare you. Edward, trying to be brave, leaned in for the kiss when suddenly a swarm of fairies appeared, showering him with glitter. He sneezed so hard he blasted Fred into a nearby tree. The fairies giggled and one exclaimed, that's not how you turn a frog into a prince. Determined to salvage the situation, Edward declared, I'll make a potion to cure my allergy. So he gathered ingredients, a dragon's sneeze, a unicorn's tear, and a pinch of Fred's warts. But each ingredient made him more allergic. He ended up with a rainbow-colored rash. At that moment, Fred croaked, looks like you're just allergic to bad ideas. Finally, Edward realized he didn't need magic to find happiness. He just needed to accept his quirks. So he threw a grand party, inviting every fairy tale creature. They all danced, while Edward sneezed glitter everywhere, and thus the kingdom was known for its epic sneeze parties. The punchline? Edward always said, bless you, to every magical sneeze.